everyone. How are you doing today? How do I look? No makeup, I'm not dressed, I'm just standing here as I used to. Let me tell you something. What is setback? Setback is when you are actually working on something on hard, or rather, you're working hard on something, developing yourself, and suddenly goes boom. It's like it never happened. You feel like you don't want to continue, you don't want to do anything, you just want to stay in bed because whatever you had, you feel like you failed. Why would you feel like that? Why would I feel like that? Why would I feel that I failed? Imagine you had been thinking and acting on what you thought. You made a decision since January. It's already September. September is number 9. So basically, in 9 months, you worked hard on your personality, your character, your inner self, and now you are expanding it to be outside, to be visible. So why do you feel that you fail? Why do I feel that I fail? I did not fail. I just took time to absorb and to realize what the setback is. That's why I decided to record myself without red makeup, without clothes, as I used to do when I started. So, what happens tomorrow? I don't know. Let's see what happens next tomorrow. Because I decided I don't give up. I am not giving up. That means I'm going to continue. Are you going to continue with me? Let's see tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow again. I am your friend for the rest of your life. Bye for now.